Are you looking for an RV with a patio? Let's take 3 minutes and walk through this Arctic Wolf 3800 deck. What's up, y'all? This is Corey, and welcome back to another RVing with Corey 3-minute walkthrough. Today we're taking a look at the Arctic Wolf 3800 deck. And let's get on the inside, show you all about this camper. So first thing I want to start off with, this does have the rear deck or patio area. This is super cool. People really are loving this concept throughout the RV industry. Do you have a ceiling fan, extra lighting? Super cool. Hang out with the buddies, have some drinks, whatever you want to do. That's super neat. Coming inside, we have a sectional sofa. Absolutely love that. That'll turn into a bed, desk or dining nook, island kitchen with residential size appliances, larger oven, two 15K ACs, massive hidden pantry, but you're also getting the direct facing entertainment that people really love. Solid surface countertops in all of these Arctic Wolf suite models. You also get things like this pull-out peninsula and the central vacuum. Moving up top, we have our Jack and Jill style bathroom, porcelain toilet, radius shower that's big enough for a 6'2" goofball like myself. Plenty of storage around that sink as well. King size bed complete with the nightstands. You also get this cool reading nook up here with plenty of storage and washer dryer prep in this cabinet as well. Now, rounding out the bedroom, you do get a fireplace as well as some extra storage and prep for a TV. Now, real quick, we're going to do a quick walk around to the outside. You got your storage here, nice big awning, beautiful front windshield, 4-point auto level. You're also going to get the tankless on-demand water heater controls, or not controls, but tankless on-demand water heater. And then here is that cool rear patio from the outside. You also have another set of steps here. Both of those are going to be the Moride step above steps, reflective windows, and that's going to wrap it up. Let me know what you guys think of this Arctic Wolf 3800 deck. Specs and pricing are down in the description below.